Wow, this is Dakota family. Look what we found in the yard. It's not a bird. It's a bat. And it's not Batman.
Guys, safety reasons, we're not touching it.
Yes, we're not touching this because they are known to have rabies. I'm thinking it's probably a fruit bat or something.
I think
It's still alive. Misty almost ran over it with the lawnmower. It's freaking me out right now.
I was like, oh my God.
But I wanted to come out here and show a little video of it real quick.
Let's show them what we did on the lawn.
And it's pretty cool looking.
Alright, then show them what all we have to do on our lawn.
I've never seen one in real life, so I had to get my camera.
And then look what we did on the lawn.
Okay,
I did a lot of that. Nobody yelled at me for doing it.
this is what we did with the yard.
Not pretty
And we
hard.
got Nikita to do mowing for the first time.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And we are so proud of her.
And we're hot and sweaty. You know?
Yes, and hot and sweaty.
Yeah.
Alright. Tell us what kind of bat this is, guys, if you can.
If you guys know what type of bat this is, let us know in the comments.
It's a brown and black bat.
It might be a brown bat.
I don't know, but they live in these little pine trees.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
I should do the rest.
Yeah, do the rest.
Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on everything, and comment below if you know what type of bat this is.
Remember, don't touch bats. They're known to have rabies.
And never touch any bats. They are known to have rabies and other diseases. So, with that, comment below if you know what type of bat this is. We're in Missouri. Talk to you guys later. Bye.